Hey guys, welcome back to the garage with Greg and Arlene. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of our 2015 JK, but before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any content. So let's start with the bumper. This is our Tough Stuff bumper. As you can see, it's pretty sturdy. I really like this bumper because it makes me feel super safe when I'm driving or when we're off-roading. Something to keep in mind though, it does poke out quite a bit. So if you look from the side, it's really good to keep in mind how far ahead, the angle that this bumper is going to be going in. We also added the shackles. We used red and black. These are great, super sturdy, and they make a great accent on the car. Up next, we have the Gladiator Grill. Love this grill. Makes the car look super, super mean. Something that we've done is we wired lights behind the grill, which we'll show you in a bit from the inside, so that red light projects through the grill. We also have these headlights. They're absolutely fantastic. They have running lights, they have turn signal lights, and they change colors as well. So we have yellow as well as white. Projects super well in front of the car in front of you, so really like those. Stay tuned till the end of the video for your chance to win headlights just like mine. Speaking of lights, let's talk about all the light going on in the front of the vehicle. So we got our 52-inch light bar all the way at the top. This is fantastic in the dark if you're off-roading or you're camping. We usually use this to set up if we're setting up in the dark. These spotlights, I put 2 on each side using the brackets as well. These are great sometimes in the replacement of a headlight if you'd like to use it. And we got our mini light bar in the middle that's also fantastic. This projects a ton of light. You don't really need all of them on at the same time. You can pick and choose. Looking at the side of the car, we have 2 pieces on both ends of body armor. Just a little bit something to protect the area around the light. These fenders.
Lots of protection, by the
way. Fenders, I cut them myself, so we used the Dremel just to open up the area of the tire. My car is not lifted, but if you do look from the side, the tire pokes out a ton because we Dremeled off the fenders ourselves. These are 35-inch tires. They're level 8 rims. Absolutely love them. Since we cut the fenders ourselves, we had to change the marker on the side of the car. So you can see underneath here, we Dremeled in a little spot and screwed in our own marker. So this is the step. We attached it to the door hinge. Pretty sturdy. If you want the exact same footstep, the link will be in the description. So these are our new taillights. They're super, super easy to install. Just a couple screws. The light is incredibly bright during the day and at nighttime. Up next is one of my favorite installs ever. It's been super useful when we're working on the car. This is our table. It goes right on the back. It has 2 clips. Pretty sturdy. You can put it on either this way with the rim facing up or facing down. I prefer it this way, so when we're cooking during camping, nothing falls off. The install was a little bit of a pain, but it was completely worth it. We still have the factory bumper back here. We're looking to replace it with something a little bit more sturdy, similar to the front. So if any of you guys want to sponsor, let us know.
And we'll happily make an install video.
Lastly, don't forget about our little stubby antenna. Looks way better in the front than the one that comes stock. One of our more recent mods is our exhaust. I really wanted my car to sound really mean, so what we did is we put a new exhaust, and this remote controls how open I'd like the pipe, so have a listen. Inside, so we've got the wild boar arm graps. We have them in the back as well that are long, super easy to get in the car. Also, what we've done is we've done red trimming ourselves around the air. We've done the sticker around the shifter, which is fantastic. It looks great with the red car. Now, if you look over here, these are the switches that go along with our lights. So we wired them to each of the lights. If you hit the blue, they light up as well. There's our rock lights, spotlights, small light bar, and then our large light bar. Directly underneath the driver's seat. Works super great when you're listening to loud music with the bass. You can adjust it from the top. We've also changed out all the speakers, both in the front and in the back, to kicker speakers. They work fantastic.
Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you want to be seen or installed on our Jeeps. As Arlene said earlier, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So here's how you can get a pair of free 7-inch LED headlights for your Jeep or any other vehicle that accepts these style headlights. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and once we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to be picking one person at random, and we're going to send them a new set of 7-inch LED Jeep headlights. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on our next video.